Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to disable the notifications tone for group chats on the Telegram app for PC. If you're tired of constant pings and just want a quieter Telegram experience, this video is exactly what you need. Let's get started right away. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your chat settings. Once the app is open, look toward the top left corner of the window. You'll see three small horizontal lines. Click on them. This will open up Telegram's main menu. From there, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find and select the option called Notifications and Sounds. This section controls how Telegram alerts you to new messages, mentions, calls, and more. Now, inside Notifications and Sounds, you'll see different categories for types of chats, private chats, groups, and channels. Go ahead and click on Groups. This is where all your notification settings for group chats are managed. Once you're inside the Groups section, look for the Notifications Tone setting. This option controls the sound that plays every time a message arrives in one of your group chats. To disable it, simply toggle the switch off. When the switch turns gray, it means the tone is turned off completely. That's it. You've successfully turned off the notifications tone for group conversations on Telegram for PC. From now on, you'll still receive message alerts visually, but without the sound, keeping things quiet and distraction-free. This update makes it much easier to manage notification preferences right from your desktop, especially if you are part of multiple active groups and need a calmer workspace. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking out more Telegram tutorials to customize your experience and make the most out of its features.